want a little bit of party. Welcome to my house, let's move a party. If you need a place to share what's in your body.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are safe and doing well. Today is January 30th, and as you know, on the 2nd, I'm leaving town for my birthday. So because of that, I want to make sure that I have a tutorial ready for you for next week. So I went into my stash and I pulled out things to pre-record so that it will be ready for you. So I have today for you these glass mirrors, absolutely beautiful by themselves, and I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. I have some gemstones, and I used these gemstones last week in the tutorial, but I have so many of them, I want to add them also to this project. I have my E6000. I have some popsicle sticks. I have the larger ones and some of the small ones. And I have my hot glue gun. And this is what I want to use for today's project. So if you want to see what I'm going to create today, gotta keep watching. The first thing I want to do is take all 6 of my mirrors and figure out a layout. I'm not sure how I want to put them, so let's just play around with them to see how we want to make this one large mirror.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
I do kind of like this look. But what do you think? It's one other one that I want to try, so let's just flip it a little bit more. I'm thinking this will be my best option, the 4 in the middle and the 1 on each end, either turn vertical or horizontal. I think that's what we're going to go with. I'm going to start by gluing the 2 mirrors together vertically. I'll do 2 sets. I'll then flip them over, use the hot glue and the popsicle sticks to secure them tightly in place. When my hot glue set up, I'll take my E7000, add it to the end, and then I'll connect the 2 sets of 2 mirrors together. Add hot glue and the popsicle sticks to hold all 4 units together. I follow the same steps to add the 2 pieces on the end. I add my E6000, find the center, and add them to the center seam. I'll do this on both ends.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
Once I have them like I want it on the end, I take my hot glue, go along the seam, add the popsicle stick again to hold them securely in place. I'll let that set up and we'll flip it over for our next step. Now I'm ready to take my gemstones and apply them to the front. I want to cover up the seams on the front side. I'm laying out the pattern to make sure that they fit like I want them to fit before I use my E7000 to glue them down. When it's all laid out, I begin the tedious task of using the E7000 to glue each one of the gems to the mirror.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
I make sure that all my gems are glued down tightly. I'm going to set it aside, let it dry for a couple of hours, and I'll come right back. I am back and it's time to add a picture hanger. Now looking at my mirror, I could hang it from the 2 hangers that's on the back of the mirror on the 2 middle mirrors. Or I could hang it on the end mirrors. But in looking at it, I didn't turn the 2 picture hooks in the same direction for the end. So what I'm going to do is add popsicle sticks to the middle hanger or the 2 middle mirrors. I'm going to glue them down and then add a picture hanger. I'm going to do it off camera and come right back. And we'll come back to see it on display. I'll see you in a bit for the reveal. I think my mirror turned out absolutely beautiful. I love how the gems sit on top of the mirror and have the beautiful reflection. Also, this design can be hung vertical or horizontal. Depends on which one you like. Now, because I have nothing in my home that's black, I really had no place to display it. So I have it here hanging at the bottom of the stairs in my foyer. Let me know which one is your favorite. Do you prefer it horizontal or do you like it vertical? So if you're out there watching and you've enjoyed this video and its content and you're not a part of the Creative Decor family, it's time to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. Also, make sure you share this video with your friends and your family.
Damn, Schwazi, I love this beat.
I then moved the mirror upstairs to the main bedroom and hung it on the wall so you can get a better look at what it looks like. Again, I think it's absolutely stunning. But you let me know again, what do you think? I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.